The average American home has $7,000 in used stuff. Here's how to convert it to cash in one weekend. Electronics: eBay, Swappa, Facebook Marketplace, highest prices. Furniture: Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, local pickup, no shipping. Clothing: Poshmark, ThredUp, Depop, brand names get $20 to $200 each. Set timer for 60 minutes per room. Free boxes: sell, donate, trash. No, maybe box. If you haven't used it in 12 months, it goes in sell or donate. Search your item on eBay, filter sold listings. Price 10% below. Take photos in good light against a plain background. First weekend, price to sell. If unsold week 2, drop 25%. Average seller earns $500 to $2,000 from one whole home declutter. Use this to fund emergency fund, vacation, or debt payment. Bonus: less stuff equals less cleaning equals more time. Download my Declutter and Sell Tracker at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.